Well folks, here we are just north of Byford station on Sunday the 28th of June 2026, and what we're waiting for is going to be coming from the city. This is looking south and basically looking towards Pinjarra, and the direction of trains from here heads south. As you see, we're up on the pedestrian overbridge. The wire mesh makes it difficult to video through, but what we're looking for is going to be coming from Perth. As you look north, I'll zoom in for you. On such a miserable day, what we're looking for is a brand new service or a brand new train for the Australind. As you can see, it's a miserable day weather-wise. As you can see from here, come around, there's a small patch of blue sky somewhere, I think. Possible? Who knows? Despite the minor movements zoomed right in, you might see a light in the distance every now and then. Should be the new Australind coming in. This is the first time the service is decided to be put into operation, and as of tomorrow the 29th should be the first official service. We're looking north towards Thomas Road. There should be it coming through any moment. Sorry about the shakiness, it is a little bit bruisey here. And the new Australind service is a diesel railcar version of the Perth Suburban C series. Now on board this VIP train will be all the dignitaries and hobnobs and goodness knows what. The big celebration to be at Bunbury when this train gets there. Come in on the Australind's platform. And it's going to be heading south very soon to Pinjarra. And then from Pinjarra it'll head all stations down to Byford, Bunbury. Oops. Now that has arrived. Not be easy to see, but there is an A series coming out, heading to Armidale and into the city. Unfortunately, the wire mesh fence makes this difficult to see. A series run in 2-car sets. The B series runs in a 3-car set. The new C series run as a 6-car set. And these new Australind sets are also 3-car sets.
Okay.